Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and I'm here with Millie to give a lesson tutorial out of our 5th grade math kit. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with all things Mango Math. Remainders Wanted is a division game, which is a good game to play after the students have played the Great Divide. The Great Divide, students are learning about divisibility, or the number dividing evenly into another number. In Remainders Wanted, students want to get remainders because they will be part of their score. So the first student will go and roll the dice. They'll then pick any number on the board that they want to divide that number into. So for example, I've got 12. I'll write down 12 over here. And I'm going to pick 181. And I'm going to cross that out to indicate that I've used that number already. I'm going to divide it into 181. Which gives me the answer 15 remainder 1. So that first player will get a score of 1 on their turn. The next player then rolls, and they've got an 8, and let's say they're going to divide that 8 into, let's say, 68. And they get the answer of 8 with the remainder of 4. So their score is 4. So we're just playing with 2 players in this game this time. You can play with up to 4. And so let's say that first player rolls again and they get a 2. And they know that because of divisors matter, that any even number is divisible by 2. So they're going to want to select an odd number. So let's say they pick the number 407. And they're going to divide that number by 2, and they get the answer of 203 with a remainder of 1. They are then going to erase their 1, add the 1 and the 1 to get now a score of 2. And they will put 2 in there. And then it's the next player's turn, remembering to mark off that number that you just used on the board. So great way to get practice in your division and starting to understand divisibility and how to get remainders. Thank you for checking out our video and seeing how to play these great Mango Math games. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more Mango content and check out our website at www.mangomath.com.